Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and this is Norm.
I'm Norm Carlson from Copperridge Inn and Markets and Carlson Farms. We also, our meat and egg business goes under Naturally Norm's Meat and Eggs.
Cool.
My wife Karen, my three sons, we built this operation. I was born and raised just around the corner from here. We have about 250 acres. We rent another 250 acres. We're solely a pasture-raised, non-GMO fed operation.
It was a little wet last year, but yeah, it's up higher this year.
Yeah. Look at these fields right here.
Oh yeah, you had water up to the edge last year, but not in the fields.
It's good to be a duck. We have hens. We like to keep our hens around and give them a good, happy life.
These are truly pastured chickens.
Absolutely.
We hand pick all our eggs every day and wash them.
We call it a kind of a salad bar. You know, we call it salad bar beef and a salad bar chicken.
The Salatin style?
Yeah, Joe Salatin style.
Yeah.
Yeah, we learned everything about this through Richard Hebron and Joe Salatin.
Cool.
We have a full line of lamb.
How you doing? How you doing? I know, we need to get you sheared. I know. I'm sorry. Yeah, this weekend. They need a haircut.
Yeah. Do you sell the wool?
We'll save some of the fleeces, yeah, the better ones, but then we just sell the wool to the guy that does the shearing.
Oh, okay.
And the wool is so cheap right now that it pretty much, it pretty much only it pays for the shearing.
Okay.
Oh, we gotta change it.
Yeah, because they think they're going to get fed.
Exactly. They're like, oh yeah.
Oh, look at them. They're trying to keep up with us.
One of them.
Trying to sell feed.
One of
They're like, where's our food?
Pork.
Why are they running?
Oh, because they're spooked by us.
Beef.
Cow calf operation there. They got some baby calves over there.
So they just had twin bulls yesterday and the last couple days.
And chicken.
Their first meat chickens just went out because they don't grow them in the winter. So the first smaller group went out and they're ramping up real quick for the rest of the season all the way through to maybe November.
Birds need to be out, but we just got a storm here tonight for 4 inches, and they would have all been dead if I would have had them out. So we let them out, and they go out to there, or they can come in here and sleep. Now in a couple days they're going to go. But these are the ones you want to get up.
These are the 4-day-old ones.
Yeah.
Okay, I was so
So we
confused.
run heat, so they have 90-degree heat, and we feed our feed program and our automatic drinker.
And we supply a lot of restaurants and industry in Kalamazoo and Southwest Michigan.
And the hospital.
And the hospital, Food Dance, the hospital, a lot of different places. Sewalls, Harding's, yeah, a lot of our Sarkozy Bakery.
Yeah.
A lot of different bakeries in town. Yeah, we're really, Latitude 42 works with us. Just a lot of great places. And it's kind of an honor to be involved in all of the pillars of Kalamazoo, the food industry. It's amazing. It's changed our lives.
Yeah. It's we try to grow a lot of our own stuff on property, and it's very different life.
Oh, it is. It is. And the people are true. They shake your hand and they ask you how you are. They mean, how are you?
Yeah.
They're not shaking your hand and pulling you past and trying to get to the next person.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for the tour.
Oh, thank you for everything. Thank you for everything you do for us.
Thank you.
All right.